Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make brik, cigars brik. So let's start. Over here we have, I took some cubes of meat. I put them in water with some turmeric, salt and pepper, oil, and some butter. I let it cook. And then after the cook, I just put in a processor, a little bit like that. I put some onions. I put some Parmesan cheese, Laugh and Loud cow cheese, and parsley, and 1 egg. And you can add anything you like. You can add potato if you want. You can add olives. You can add anything you like. We're gonna mix them. You can substitute the meat with the chicken if you like. So we're just gonna mix them all good like that. This is a quick and easy recipe for brik, cigars brik. So we're just gonna mix them well, and I'm gonna use this one, the spring roll pastry from the, it's like a Asian. This is very good, and it tastes exactly like the brik. If you don't have any brik on hand, you can use that. And it doesn't absorb the oils, so it's very good. So we're just gonna take one like that, put some like a teaspoon or a tablespoon in the middle, and then we're gonna fold it like that, 2 sides. I just roll like that. So we'll continue with that. Make another one. Put some in the middle. Fold both sides and then just roll it. Now we're gonna fry them, deep fry them. So the oil needs to be in a medium heat, so that they cook quickly. They don't take long to cook, so they cook very well. They cook very fast. So you let them sit for one side like that until they turn golden brown, and then they turn it. So this is how they look. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I see you next video. See you. Bye bye.